If you want to get a job online, you know that one of the ways for you to beat the competition is to have a very good portfolio. And to be frank, building and designing portfolios can take a lot of time. But luckily, I asked Claude to help me do it. And Claude was very nice enough to do it for me. So let me show you exactly how I did the portfolio that you just saw and how you can do this same thing using AI. The first thing is obviously to come to Claude, and you need to have something that you want to use to get this job. In my case, I do more of digital marketing, so I want to get a job around the digital marketing space, but I need a portfolio that is targeted to a particular part of digital marketing. So this is what I want to do. I come to Claude here, and then I click on this plus sign, and what I'm looking for is connectors. You can find it by coming to somewhere around here to find connectors, or you can just come here, click on add connectors. So what we want to add is simply called Gamma, and Gamma is what is going to help us talk to Claude to design the perfect portfolio for us in the shortest time possible. So you can just come here, search for Gamma, or you can just search for it if you have a lot of time, but you just come here, click on add, and you want to connect your Gamma to your Claude. If you do not have Gamma yet, you can just come here, click on sign up, which is exactly what I'm going to do for the purpose of this video. So you click on sign up, and you can sign up either using your Gmail, your Google, or your email, and then your password. So to sign up to Gamma, I can just come here, say continue with Google, which is the usual method I like. I prefer because it's much easier and you don't have to be remembering passwords all the time. So I'm going to select the Google account that I want to use for creating this account. So give it some time to just set up the account. I'll be ready to go. So I come here, I click on continue again. And then all you have to do now is just link your Gamma to your Claude. As you can see, this is the name that is going to give it and the permission. What will you allow Gamma to Claude to do? You can give it all the permission to create workspace, do everything here. These are the permissions. And then you can simply click on allow. And this is how you authenticate your Gamma to your Claude. So once you have that set, you are now ready to start using Gamma and Claude to create very high quality portfolio sites. So again, you can just come here. This is where we now put the prompt. Now, there are different ways to do this, but the best way for you to get what you really want is you want to give Claude a document. This document should contain things about yourself, all right, like what you do. In my case, again, I said I am a digital marketer. So I have a profile, I have something about me that I want to give to Claude to use. For instance, this is my profile here. Claude already has it, but I just want to give it to it again because I want it to give me a very good job. So again, I'm just going to select it, and that is a document right here. So you just need to give it something about yourself before you include the prompt that I'm going to give you right here. So now this is the prompt I want to use. So this prompt here, I want to call out Gamma first. And the reason why I'm calling it out is so that Claude will use Gamma to create what I want it to create. So this is my prompt. Help me create a professional portfolio / media kit I'm going to put for a funnel redesign gig that I will send to brands to close them easily. Use the information in the attached document. So this is the attached document I've given it, and I want you to create a simple portfolio and a very professional one that I can send for my gig. So this is a gig that I want to offer, which is a funnel redesign, basically a sales funnel redesign. So once I'm done, I can just come here, click on create, and we'll now give it some time to create the portfolio. So as you can see, it's currently working, and for some strange reasons, you just need to make sure that you call on Gamma first so that the system will remember that you are working with Gamma. So as you can see, it says it's still working on it. We should stand by, which is exactly what we are going to do because we are very patient people and we are getting this for free. So why not? So after like a minute or two, we are done. And this is the portfolio and the toolkit. and you can basically just click on it to now take you to Gamma, where you can edit it if you want, or you can just come here, give it any prompt you want to help you edit it or to create a new one. To use it, you can just come here, click on edit in Gamma, and you can say open the link. So it's going to now take you to the Gamma itself, and then this is where you can edit it to whatever you want. Like there are some things you need to add, like your phone number, your email address, if you wanted to add them. But this is now the final work that it has done for us, and it's actually very clean and professional, and I like it. In fact, I'm going to use it. So now this is the final work it has done. So it decides to go with this very dark black and white color, which I like. And this is basically a presentation and a media kit, and it aligns everything. It calls out the problem, it offers them what the problem is, and it gives them a brief introduction about me, the owner of this portfolio, and then what we are going to cover for the job, and then the steps that it entails, and what you've built over the years. Everything that you have, you can have it right here. So if you wanted to edit any part, you can now edit it straight inside of Gamma. But once you are done, you can either present it, or you can basically just forward it to your client or use it for whatever you want to use it for. But this is basically how you can use Gamma to create this kind of powerful presentations. So if you wanted to download it, you can just come to these three dots here and you find export, and you can export it as a PDF, as a PowerPoint, and then as a PNG. In most cases, you are going to need it as a PDF, so you can see we are exporting the PDF. So you now have a PDF that you can now use to submit to job openings or whatever you want to use them for. So this is how Claude and Gamma helps me to create that professional media kit or portfolio in less than 5 minutes. I hope this video helps you. Please like the video and follow me for more useful videos.